Right. Live streaming now.
Yes, yes. Uh, okay, we are live now. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. My name is Waseem Anwar from Pakistan, and we are yet again back with an exciting and informative series of interviews, starting with one of the most dynamic men in on passive. You all must have seen him on conferences, webinars, and events. A man who possesses ample knowledge and carry a vision of bringing a change in the lives of people. We are honored to have amid us a distinguished individual whose name resonates with the realm of artificial intelligence and technological acumen. He is the driving force behind the widely acclaimed show OTE Pros, a platform where intellect meets curiosity and technical knowledge takes center stage. He's from UK. We are lucky enough to get his learning and experiences. He's none other than Mr. Vincent Ete. We cordially welcome, sir. You are here. Thank you. You joined this session.
Okay. Thank you, Mashim. My name is Vincent Ente. So I live in Milton Keynes. Is half an hour from Luton Airport to
Mhm.
Luton Airport. So I know people you heard about Luton Airport. I live half an hour to Luton Airport. Is 50 miles from London, further north of the UK. So this is where I live.
Great, great. Sir, are you originated from UK?
No,
This
I born in Ivory Coast in West Africa. So I came
Mhm.
to UK since 1999 to study.
Wow,
So this is how after my study, I get a job as an IT engineer, and then I stay to live here since 1999. I live here.
great, great. Sir, can you give us brief introduction more if you want to give us?
Okay, to my name Vincent Ente, and then also I'm married. I'm a father of four, and then I have for one daughter and three sons.
Wow,
So I have also two sisters and then five brothers. So this is my introduction, family background. Yeah.
great, great.
Mm.
Sir, what is your career background? We want to
Okay.
know.
First of all, I'm an IT engineer. I study Bachelor of Science, Computer Communication at University of Northampton, is in the UK. And then my second degree was Master of Science in Information Technology, University of Derby, is also in the UK. But my actual IT role is a database administrator. So is more in SQL Server and Oracle databases.
Great, great. So, you live in South Africa or Africa?
I live in the UK, Milton Keynes right now.
Okay, okay. No, you are living UK, but I want to know about your country. Tell
The
me about
country
your.
is Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is West Africa. Ivory Coast. The in
So,
French is Côte d'Ivoire, but in
okay.
English they say Ivory Coast. So it's the same
I mean,
region like Nigeria and Ghana. We share same border with Ghana. I know Ghana is
mhm.
known also. So this is West Africa. Is in West Africa. Yeah, we speak
Great.
primarily French.
Mhm.
So West Africa, Ivory Coast was colonized by France. So we have a tie relation with France. So
Mhm.
mostly we speak French. Yeah.
Okay, great, great, great. So, actually, mostly interview I have done, they live in UK and USA, but mostly from Cameroon.
Oh
It's
yeah,
like
yeah. My
Cameroon,
brother
Mana,
Collins is from Cameroon. Yeah,
Comfort, 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 Charles, and many leaders,
yeah,
and so and only Dr. Michael Williams, sir, is from Jamaica.
yeah.
So, but mostly from Cameroon. So that's
Cameroon.
why
Yeah, that's
that's
correct.
why
Yeah.
I yes.
Mm.
So, sir, we would like to know about your journey with On Passive, including when and how did you join, how it has changed your personal and professional life.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Machine. I joined on Passive on 22nd July 2020, and then
Mhm.
is my friend and brother Collins Mana. I know you know Collins. Collins
Yes.
who introduced me to on Passive. So he said, "Oh,
Okay.
Vincent, come. There's one IT company, good IT company. You have to join this company." And then I was, "Oh, are you sure?" So he sent me or the website. I went there, checked the information. I say it's too good to be true. He said yes. Is impassive because I know you are a technology person. So I know that if you join, you will understand what you are doing. So please join. So this is how my journey start. Collins, it was say, okay, yeah, please, at least if you take one account and see how things will go. And then
Mm,
so Collins pushed me, and then I joined.
mm,
So and then I realized that on passive is a good. So on passive also changed my life because we have a corporate webinar, and also we have also our webinar. All these webinars changed my life. So make me we learn a lot also from webinars because when we go to webinars, corporate webinar, even any webinar I join, we learn always from webinars. We learn a lot. So it changed my life. It changed our life. Like today, I'm talking to you. We have a friend everywhere in the world. I have you, Waseem. I have Ayesha in Pakistan. So if today I have to travel to Pakistan, I need something, you'll be my first people I'll contact. I say, oh, today. So we have friends everywhere. We have family everywhere in the world. So on Passive is a great company. It have changed positively my life and then even my personal life and professional life because anything we learn here sometimes work and then implement something new there. So it's a positive to be part of on Passive. I'm very grateful. Thanks, Mr. Ash, for this great opportunity.
great, great, sir. So, sir, I'm 11 days senior because I joined 11th July 2020. So,
Wow.
so, so, so we are almost same batch.
Yeah.
July July 2020 batch.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Aisha, am I audible? Uh, Please, yes, we can't hear you, Aisha. Okay, okay. I think something issue in in her side. So so tell us. We know about artificial intelligence. What is the role of artificial intelligence in the product of on passive? How do you see AI marketing and impact on the overall structure of the products?
Okay, I would say artificial intelligence is or we have is one of the latest technology in our century today. So when we talk about new technology, artificial intelligence is among those technologies. And then with on passive, we have our business solution. It was powered by artificial intelligence. So that business can take advantage of a revolutionary technology to streamline the operation and then also is improve customer experience and also achieve a greater success for most people. So
Okay,
I
yes,
think
I'm here. Sorry about that. I had some internet issues. Yes. Uh,
Uh,
can
Actually,
you
I think she could not
hear
hear the
me?
question. Actually, Vincent sir is giving answer of artificial intelligence. I asked, just
Okay.
asked. So,
Why?
so I think you could not hear us. That's why
I'm
you.
unmuted.
Uh,
Yes.
no, uh, just
Yeah, there's a delay.
just a minute.
There is
okay.
a delay.
So, sir, sorry, sir, you are talking about artificial intelligence. Yes.
Yeah. So I would say the artificial intelligence, then part of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence to make data driven decision that lead to increase efficiency. Like people can, we have efficiency in what people are doing, productivity. We have a good production. We got a good production also using artificial intelligence. We have also profitability. Company will make a lot of money. They'll profit. They'll have a lot of things. So it is also improve our customer life using artificial life, our customer life, and then also experience. So when we talk about customer improving customer life experience, therefore it can have also how do I say benefits good sales. So a lot of customer they will have a big business as well. So artificial intelligence benefits also providing also tools for businesses to personalize a situation, also automation and security.
Can
Because
you, hello,
Yep.
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. Uh,
No?
actually, uh, uh,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, we can hear you,
Hello?
Aisha.
okay, okay. Vincent sir giving answer of okay. Actually, she's some voice problem. That's why she can't hear us. That's why. So, Aisha, uh, I'll send you message. Then you can speak. Okay, and WhatsApp me.
जी,
Okay, wait for. So
आप लोग को
आपको ना ये चलो ओके सर ओके आई थिंक
नहीं, मैं
शी
ऑडिबल
इज
हूँ,
गेटिंग
लेकिन मुझे आप लोगों की बिल्कुल
शी
क्लियर
इज
आवाज़ आ
गेटिंग
रही है, लेकिन मेरी आवाज़ आपको नहीं जा रही।
नहीं अभी आ रही है अभी जस्ट आपकी बात अभी अभी बात है बट आप अगर मैं सही जा रहा हूँ तो मैं साथ तक क्वेश्चन आपको लिखता भी जाऊंगा तो
अच्छा, मैं बीच में बोलती हूँ, अगर आवाज़ आ जाए तो फिर मैं कर लेती हूँ, ठीक है? मैं अभी हूँ, ठीक है, ओके।
okay okay sir please continue actually she is
ओके।
she is getting our answer late so please continue sir I think
Okay.
she has some internet issue she just received my previous voice message so she is just timing issue so sir please continue sir you were
Okay.
talking about
Yeah. So I've answered the artificial intelligence part. Yeah. So we can continue, please.
yes please continue sir
Okay, so to hand I say artificial intelligence provide also tools for predictive analysis and also personalize the issues and then informate automatization and security. So in terms
Mhm.
of most of the our product, they are embedded artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence the artificial intelligence we use is activities to make sure and then most of our product have the best value, so all the best value, best security. So this is all powered by artificial intelligence system.
Great, sir. So, sir, the new era is the about artificial intelligence.
That's correct.
So, yes. So, sir, I would really like to ask you, ask to you, shed some light upon one of the most important topics of on passive these days, data center.
Yeah.
So, what is data center and why is it important for on passive to have its own data centers? What change they can bring in?
Okay, data center I would say is a physical location that store computing machine, all the machine they're using in a IT or computer environment. They are also like they're related to hardware equipment and
mm,
software, and also all the software equipment, hardware, everything. So it contains also the computing infrastructure, all the infrastructure that IT system require. Like when we talk about servers, data storage, switches, hub, routers, they are all this equipment in the data center. So this is what they call a network equipment. All this is they call a data center. So it's a physical security that store any company digital data. So to put in one good to make a layman understand is like a big house for all IT system, all the machine, computers, all the physical devices that we use it for computing world today. This is calling all the data center, so that
mm.
someone who is not, when I say switch, uh, uh, switch, rack, all the servers, someone who is not IT background, sometimes difficult to understand. So it's all the equipment, if they're using an IT network, cable, everything. This is a big house for the modern computer system that is in the whole house. So they use it for business continuity, to help IT equipment. So this is everything, even the storage, backup, disaster recovery, all the information, all built inside. That's what they call it, the data center. So it's a big house for IT computing system.
So, sir, what is the difference between a simple data center and cloud computing AI data center?
Okay, the when we say we talk about the today data center, the data center today is like I said, is a physical location that store all the machine, everything. So
Mm,
it's a physical location. You can see a data center for maybe on passive data center can locate it maybe in Hyderabad in India, and everything is inside. So this is the physical location. So the
mm,
cloud side of the data center, inside the
mm,
data center, they build also the cloud side. So the cloud could be inside the data center. So data center is the big house. So, and then inside the data center, we have the cloud data center inside it's like a big house. We have everything, fridge, we have a bed, we have everything we need for the house is inside. So every single equipment we needed in the IT world is based in the data center. So that's why they use those facilities to work and then make the system business turn, efficiency, business control, data, everything is inside the big house. So that's what make
wow,
the
that's
data
great.
center. Yeah. Mhm.
That's great, sir. So we will earn from data center too. So, sir, do you think only founders will earn from data center or customer too? Do you
Well,
have any idea?
the data center is also, I can say it can be one of our product as well, because
Mm,
we have other company like Amazon. They make the fortune from the data center. So
mm,
the Amazon Web Services, it give Amazon money where they are today is because of the data center, because the data center give them money, and then our data center, we can you can also sell our data center for the customer to have their data in our data center. So it depends of the what Mr. Ash want the data center.
mm,
If you want the data center to be public, and then other company, we can help other company come to our data center. We can give them the resources they need.
mm,
He can do that. He has the vision. Or also,
mm,
if he has built the data center for us alone, is good. Or even for our customers. So everything is possible. But because of the size of the data center Mr. Ash has built today, I believe
mm.
that we could also lead it to customer outside, so that it can generate also a lot of resources for on passive.
Mm, great, great. So in past, in 2022, once I asked question to Mr. Ash about data center, is this physical product of on passive or not? He said the physical product is separate, data center is separate, so
Yeah.
you don't include data center in physical products. So that's at that time he said. So actually, with the passage of time, we got idea about data center. Before this, we were not aware of this important product. So, sir, most asked question by founders about traffic. You know, most
Yes,
awaited.
yes.
So what is traffic? Can you elaborate difference between holding tech traffic and next traffic upcoming packages? So will we get the paid traffic or unpaid traffic in holding tanks? Can you elaborate this? What is the difference of?
Okay, traffic, first of all, traffic is customer because traffic generates customer. When Mr. Ash talk about traffic, he's talking about customers. So this is how we can elaborate on passive because we will know, we will get traffic, and then the traffic that Mr. Ash going to distribute through our
Mhm.
account, this is called a customer. So this is how the numbers of the customers each individual going to receive in their
Mhm.
accounts. This is called a traffic. So this is what Mr. Ash trying to explain to us. So I know a lot of people, they don't get it. When they say traffic, they're thinking of something else. But the traffic, it means what customers that is going to distribute to us. And then this is the traffic that is going to give us money because depend of the customer you receive, depend of the customer that Mr. Ash is going to give to us. So this is what is going to make us get money as well. So it's going to distribute the traffic to us, and then we're all going to receive the traffic. Like he said, it will not, no one will stay behind. We'll all move together. So it will do such that everyone will get traffic, everyone will get customers. So this is what you mean that when we say we will distribute the traffic to us.
Okay, great, great, sir. So only those founder will get traffic who will purchase the O Connect,
Yeah, yeah.
and only.
Those who activate the OConnect account, they will get traffic. This means this is what Mr. Ash promised us that those who activated the account will get traffic. So he will do the traffic distribution. So he will know when the time come. I know he will distribute the traffic because he said that we'll all get the traffic. So we're going to get the traffic for every single account activated. We get the traffic.
Yes, yes. Mostly founder don't buy the package and want traffic too. That's why I asked this question.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
people are confused about this. So, sir, I have been hearing a lot of questions regarding having one's own domain name. Sir, why do you think it's important and how it's going to help us in business? We already have ICANN accreditation. So, can you elaborate about it? What is ICANN register?
Okay. The ICANN register is, first of all, the ICANN is the Internet Corporation for Assign Name and Numbers. So
Hmm.
this is a private and non-governmental corporation, non-profitable corporation. Is also based in the United States. So its responsibility is for Internet protocol called IP address. No people hear about IP address in the IT jargon. So this is the corporate who distribute the IP address and also space allocation. When you in the internet world, this is the company who do the space allocation, protocol parameter assignment. When you get the protocol assignment system, is a domain name DNS. When they say DNS, the domain name in short is DNS. So all these companies do the management and also the root server system function. So anything coming to the IT, internet protocols, sending the IP address, all this is the company who dealing with this issue. So this is a company who manage this IT protocol because it's not easy to manage this, so that they do this so that your IP address is different from my IP address. That a lot of different companies have their different IT system, so they are doing the management of the IT protocol system. So it's a great job that this company are doing. That's why they call ICANN. Then you said about honing your own domain. So it's very important honing your own domain name. Give control. I would say give complete control over your website and also your and how your website appear in the world. So this is very important to have also a domain name. So the way you want appear, your website want to appear to visitors like you and me. If I go to ONPASSIVE website, how we want our website to appear to people, the customers, people who come to visit. this is the one important thing, that we should have a domain name, so that when you go there, we can give you all the information, so you have control of your own website. So this is very important as well. So you can customize, you can use it to customize, you can do your website the way you want, even create your internet content, anything inside, all the information you can do it as you. So this is all the I would say the good to have your own domain. So all this is very important, so that like you are not restricted to the third party to control you to do this, but when you own your own domain, you are free to do whatever you want, anything you want. If you want to customize, like every day you want to change your website, it's up to you to do that. So this is the positive impact of having your own domain.
Great, great, sir. So, sir, we can add our own business stuff in our domain and on our website. That's a good, and uh, we could able to sell the domains to customers like GoDaddy.
Yeah,
Beside, yes.
yeah,
Okay,
we can
great.
do that, because having a own domain, we host uh, domain people. We can do that. We can do like ABC or GoDaddy, everything. So this is all the benefits of having this, because having this, we could also could be domain register. We can register company. We can host company to our domain system. So it's very important that we have that. It's very, very good for on passive as well to have this, because when we have this, we control our system. No one control for us. But when is we go to someone, they control for us. But we have the control over all this. So it's very important. And then we can host domain to other company. We want to like GoDaddy, like you mentioned. So it's very important also for us to do that as well. So it's a positive for us as well.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Sir, as sir recently told in last webinars, we have been certified by a few major companies like Cisco, CompTIA, and three other pending. Can you elaborate what is the importance of these certification?
Oh, certification is very important. Myself, I'm a Microsoft certified system engineer. I'm also a certified technology specialist. I also certified system administrator and certified professional, Microsoft certified professional. So, and also I got about 13 Microsoft certification, and then I have OCA Oracle certified administrator, and then ITIL is a IT Information Infrastructure Library V3. So I'm certified about 16 certification. So all this is sure that certification is a way for individual to demonstrate their knowledge and their expertise in a particular field. You understand? So obtaining certification is also is also a good way to show your ability of what you are doing. So it's good to have a certification, and then show also that you feel the standard of the company, and also have the necessary skill and knowledge to perform in a high level staff or skills. Because in the IT world, if in the IT world, most of the we have so many certifications. So if you work in IT world and then you don't have certification, I don't say it's not, but it's also show your skill and then your knowledge. So it's good to have a certification. It's good also to be part of the certified body. We know that Cisco, they are leaders of the networking and the security system. So be a Cisco certified is a great opportunity to know that this person is a networking specialist. So he work for Cisco, or he is a Cisco certified. When you go to CompTIA got A plus, we got Network plus, and also Security plus. So the A plus is the entry level on the IT. If someone hasn't got any certification in IT world and then want to enter, want to get a first job, they will recommend you as, okay, go and do CompTIA A plus. So the A plus will give you the entry level in the IT world. So it's like your first job. So it's good also to be satisfied by those companies. So if on passive, is recognized, we are partner with this company today, that means we are doing good. And then most people, our employees, they will be certified and recognized by these two bodies, CompTIA and Cisco.
Yes. Sir, what is the difference between when any person gets certification of Cisco or a company gets certification? Because both are getting certification from Cisco. So, what we can get idea the person as a person we have benefit of Cisco certification. So, company so only reputation only get certification for reputation or other benefit too.
Because let's say those years when those years back on early 2000,
Hmm.
before when we you work for a corporate, well, I give you my example. If you work for a corporate, Microsoft, the corporate, like let's say we are working for a corporate, when Microsoft want to be partner with those corporate, Microsoft will ask the company that we want your employees to be Microsoft certified. So when employees are Microsoft certified, maybe let's say 40% of the employees are Microsoft certified. In that case, when Microsoft come, they will be partner with that company because they know that his employees are certified and they are skilled for
Hmm.
Microsoft. So immediately the company become partner with Microsoft, and then they can get discount of product and staff and things. So I believe that Cisco, when most of the network engineer working from Passive, they are skilled and then they are Cisco certified. We're using Cisco equipment, network equipment. They are the best in network equipment anyway. So if we are using all this, and those are maybe new junior IT guys, when they come to also using like A plus or maybe network plus or security plus, those are individuals who are certified, ensure that on passive is using the most skill and then individual knowledge service people to work for them. In that case, we can get a certification from this company that in passive using the highly skilled people, individual skilled guys, they are all certified in those body. So on passive become part of those certification accreditation because they know that our company are using valuable people, skilled people. So they will also attach to that as well. So this is how it works because individuals who are working for the company, they should have those skill, those certification. When they have it, Cisco and maybe CompTIA right now, they are happy to work with us because they know that our engineers who are working on board, they are all skilled people, and then they are also they have a knowledge, the ability to use their ROCCs and then the network system.
Wow, wow, great, great, sir, great, sir. Sir, we as a whole have seen the huge showcasing effort ran in Dubai and Burj Khalifa on passive metro station, FIFA World Cup, JITEX, Taqdeer Award, and many we have seen. What do you think it has done to on passive overall standing? Or in other words, what are the benefits of these campaigns?
Okay, I would say FIFA World Cup is, I would say, one of the biggest sport event in the world. So if we were able to be part of that, it's sure that on passive will be revealed to the whole world. So
Hmm.
every corner of the world, people will know on passive because on passive were in the World Cup is the
Hmm.
most important sport event in the world. And then on passive were there. That's sure that on passive is a great company and then one of the biggest company in the world because not every company, I know some company have been this world for so many years, but not all of them wish, many of them wish to be there in that great event, but only few are there. And then if on passive I've been to that great event. That means OnPass is a great company. It's not a small company that we should joke with. It's one of the biggest company in the world. So this also is like a make advert for us that we are the best. We are where other company cannot stand. We were there and then we stand there. So it's like we are up now. So on passive, being part of this great event, put on passive to the highest level of the world right now.
Great, great, sir. Wow. Sir, Ash has announced about Oaknet commercial launch. upcoming. So what is the how can you differentiate between September launch and upcoming commercial launch? What is the
Okay.
difference between? Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
the September launch, I would say, is also to show the world that there's one company called on passive, and then we have
Mm-hmm.
a product, and then we
Mm-hmm.
have a lot of products. And one of our biggest product that we have launched is Oconnect. So the September launch is to show our presence in the world market, so that we are there, we exist. So we are. This is how we're going to improve, and then this is how we are now. So it's like it's introduction. We introduce ourselves to the world. This is the September launch, so the unpassive could be seen everywhere in the world. But right now, when the next one, it will be commercial launch where people, massive companies all over the world, they're going to use our product. They like or not, this is the launch. That's the launch where most company in the world is going to use our product. They like or not, this is the product, the best product in the world, with all the big features of on passive. Where Oconet, we have so many features, the latest technology embedded by artificial intelligence system is also in our data center. So we have everything now, and then we unlimited, so people can connect to on passive. So we are so this launch is the commercial launch. So where a lot of companies will come in, where a lot of companies will subscribe to Oconnect, a lot of companies will buy our product. So the first one is to show our presence to the world market. And then the second one is to tell people, yeah, we are here. We have the best product of the best. So we want you to come and buy now. So the products are ready. Let's start using them for your webinars, for your business, for your success, for everything. Even I know some even some churches. I know is also business. They will come and buy on passive to main their daily activities. So you like or not, our next launch is to tell the whole world, come and buy the product. The product is ready, and then the product is the best, the best. So this is what is going to change the world.
Great, great, sir. Great, sir. So, sir, let's discuss some questions about previous. Recently, some founder asked to ask sir in previous meeting. We will discuss a few questions to for our understanding. Susie ma'am asked about O staff update. So Ash mentioned about some expert joining from Oracle and SAP to he talked about O hire and O counting. Is it the part of that package too? And can you elaborate Oracle and SAP? What is the role of Oracle and SAP in O staff?
Okay, Oracle company, they are specialized in the database. When Oracle first launched, the main activity was database, so they are good in database. They used to be the best company for looking after businesses database. So this is Oracle, and then SAP, they come also for uh, customer relationship system. So they are also specialized in customer CRM application. So they use both company. They are good in the customer relationship, and then Oracle are also specialized in the database. So when they work together, they merge the technology together. So when you go to, I know Oracle use SAP for their own customer relationship system. You see, sir, when you go to HRP also, they use the Oracle database to run their system. So it's like you use my system into a use. So they work together to make the system better. So our own staff among all this, because our own staff will be top of all these technologies I mentioned, the Oracle and SAP, because on passive, we're going to use the best system. So we could use Oracle, we use SAP, and then build our own system. So we don't have to use those system over there. We will build our own system, and then our new system called OSTAF is going. We have everything because different company, they have a different part of product. They have, for if you go to for HR system, you can see maybe they have a 5 or 6 application in order for HR people to do their job. But with OSTAF, We have a all-in-one, everything we need in HR,
mm,
recruitment, registration. Those who work in HR, they know better so
mm,
than me. So, but everything they need in HR, it will be one tool. Everything is in,
mm.
even pay in, payroll. Everything is a massive tool. And then the best also, because it's not because it's massive, but it's also the best because no company in this world have done such product. But on
Wow.
passive have done that, and then on start you have built
Mm,
old staff. So old staff going to revolution the HR system. So the HR staff, it will be easy for them to do their tasks now, right now. More even the massive and biggest company, they will go to old staff to buy that product because all this product facilitate HR staff now, because before they need to use maybe 5 or 6 applications before they get to the job done. But now, from recruitment to the payroll, they're going to use one system called OStaff, and then OStaff will be the best of the best right now. No one can compete with the OStaff. And then right now, I believe OStaff, no company right now have done a such product better than OStaff.
wow, great, sir. Great, sir. I think, in my understanding, only two, three products like O Connect, O Academy, and O Staff is enough for us. If we talk about
Yeah,
earning and
even I can say one, even Oconet, even it could be good for us because
yes,
Oconet is powerful. And then
yes,
Oconet, the features of Oconet, no one have done that before.
mm,
So Oconet the revenue for Oconet is huge because I know most companies will be interested to use Oconet. Even as I was speaking today, we have a meeting for police from the
yes.
5th to 7th. All this, I know they're going to use Oconet because
Mm,
it will be an introduction for them to know this powerful product. So when they go to it, I know some of them will see
mm,
when they go back to the country origin, they'll say if you come from US, when you back to US, you back to Canada, you back to France, you back to Germany,
mm.
you back to India. You
Yeah,
most people will
one
say,
one lady went from Pakistan to in police summit conference.
yeah.
So she
So
was
when
able to.
all of them they go back to their origin country, the country
Mm,
where they coming from, you will see that they will ask the government or the corporate or the chief that look, we
mm,
saw one product there in Dubai. We want this
mm,
product. We want to use it. It's the best. We have used
mm,
it, and then it's too good to leave. So I know that you will see most of people. And then I was telling one guy, I think a few days ago, and then people say ONPASSIVE is a scam. How come scam company is working with police?
mm.
Because
Wow.
scammers, they don't want to go close to police. They run away
Mm,
from police. But
mm,
we have a summit with police. And then it's the world police, no one country. It's not a police of maybe France or maybe Pakistan or India or maybe South Africa or Bangladesh. No, it's the world police. The whole world will be there for
mm,
that. So it tells us
mm,
that it's not what people are saying outside there. It's the
mm,
best company, is one of the best. Look at what this great event. How many companies have done that before? But on
mm,
passive is doing it. So it tells us that even most of our products, they are these are the best quality over. No one can
mm.
do better than that. Believe
Wow.
me, all
Mm,
these people they go back to their country, they will
mm,
ask to have a Oconet. I know if some of them they are decision making for the company, straight away they will make a decision to
mm,
buy Oconet. So it's the decision is there.
mm. Wow, 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 sir. Amazing, amazing, sir.
Mhm.
Excellent. So, sir, there was a question inquiring about the first project, the on-passive family of inventors or innovators are working on. Ash talked about their focus on the first release of ecosystem. Can you elaborate?
The first product of ecosystem.
Mm, yes,
Which
actually,
product was the first
actually,
product of?
yes.
Mhm.
Jean Saliva, ma'am, asked about innovators or inventors. About he
Okay,
asked.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, innovation. So every great company also
Mm,
they work for innovation because
mm,
if you're a company, you don't put the innovation in place, you'll be behind. That's why on passive we have innovation, because I'll give you one example. You know, Nokia was the first company to build a network, a mobile phone system. But because they didn't have innovation, now they are behind. And then Apple came over and then took the first place. I know those years, my first mobile phone was like a banana, very long. But today, we can see that today is Apple who is leading the technology system today. But why? Because they didn't have innovation. So every great company we want to move forward, they need to have an innovation. So on passive, we have an innovation. So that innovation, we use it to build our business, and then we use it for the year to come. Because the product we are making, we are not making a product for today. All the product that on passive are building is not a product of 2 years, 3 years. It can stand for 20, 25 years. So more and more, bringing people in innovation background and working on the product. Today we have a Oconet. By the next 5 years, we can have another version, or even not 5 years, maybe every 3 months, every 6 months, the innovation guy, they are working background behind, so that our products, more the world is going forward. Also, we are working for our product to stand with the world, because the world is moving. We have a new technology. We have artificial intelligence system. So we cannot still using our product that we make in 2020. We have to also keep working on it. The more the world is going forward, our also product can go forward and stand as the world it is right now. So we don't have to be behind of the technology. And then most of our product, we are ahead, because artificial intelligence, for those who understand technology, when you use artificial intelligence, we are ahead of artificial intelligence. I did artificial intelligence back at university, maybe 2003, but I wasn't sure what it was artificial intelligence. But today, artificial intelligence is there. When you use a face system, when you log into your mobile phone, is artificial intelligence. When you use a fingerprinter, is artificial intelligence. When you use your passport, your passport, when you go to airport and then you use the machine to scan and then you go through the door, this is artificial intelligence. When you go to healthcare or everywhere, you will see artificial intelligence is working. So that's why most of our system now is embedded with artificial intelligence. But those companies, we are ahead because we have built our system based on artificial intelligence. But other companies, they don't have what we have done today. So before they get to where we are forward. We are ahead of them. And then we'll beat them, we'll compete. They cannot compete with us because we have put a lot of work in artificial intelligence. And then we'll keep develop the artificial intelligence system in the innovation. So this is what they call innovation, because a good company if you have a good company and then you want to be today technology, you need to have an innovation, because if you don't have an innovation, you cannot stand for the world right now, for the present, because you'll be back. And then in IT technologies is rapidly moving system. So what you learn today, in the next 2-3 years and 5 years, it will change. Everything will change completely. So you have to learn a lot. For my role as a database administrator, so the database keep changing. Every year we see database 2022, you see 2019. Those years we start SQL Server 2000, 2005, 2008, 2012, 14, 16. Right now we have 2022. So we are migrating our system to 2022. But the next 2-3 years, you see that Microsoft will create another one. It will be maybe 2020-25. So if you don't update yourself, you are behind technology, and then the company will say you are useless. They cannot employ you because you are not up to date technology. So if you are in the IT world and IT technology system, you need to update yourself. So that's why Mr. Ash is a great visionary person. He has put this innovation to place that we will not be behind. We will be always ahead of other companies, or we'll be ahead of the technology. If today they say, okay, you know what, this century, artificial intelligence, the company who will make this artificial intelligence better in this new century, I bet today it will be ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE will use artificial intelligence. For this new century, artificial intelligence, all the good things from artificial intelligence will come from ONPASSIVE. And then the whole world will talk about ONPASSIVE. Right now, maybe people will think what I'm saying maybe is a joke, but in the next few years, people hear that everywhere in the world, they will talk about artificial intelligence. And then which company make that artificial intelligence stand alone, and then everywhere it will be on passive, because everywhere we do is embedded with artificial intelligence.
Wow, wow, sir. Wow, sir. Excellent, sir. So you explained very well. So, sir, Glady ma'am asks, will OnPassive have its own transfer for peer-to-peer lending? So, what is the mean of this question? She was talking about internal transfer or outside transfer. Sir, can you elaborate these questions?
Is it
Peer-to-peer.
internet? Sorry, I didn't catch the last bit.
She said she asked, will OnPassive have its own transfer for peer-to-peer lending? She asked the question to Ayesha. So, can you
Mhm.
elaborate this question? What is the mean of peer-to-peer? She was talking about internal transfer in O wallet or in outside peer-to-peer, like like Binance
Okay,
or other companies.
peer-to-peer network is like one-to-one network, like you and me sitting talk one-to-one. That's a peer-to-peer network. So we can do one-to-one network. So this is how it. But the transformation of the internet today, and then also for the Oconet, we don't really need a peer-to-peer network. But you can use that, and then there are so many technologies that we can use today. We can use also, because with the cloud technology today, you could be anywhere, and then you can learn. And then with the you could be here, and then you could be in Hyderabad today, and then learn something from United States, or you could be here in UK and then learn something from Australia. So with the internet, or even most of the our product today, so I think this is necessary needed, that peer-to-peer network today, because we could be anywhere. And then with the new system with the cloud, is flexible. So you could be like, if you want to learn, you could wake up any day of your time. Like you could wake up midnight, 1 a.m., and then you switch your computer on, and then you learn. So everything is a cloud based. So it have mobility and then the flexibility as well. So that's why today the cloud is going forward, and then it's going all over the world, because our world now is moving to cloud. Everything we do is cloud based. So all the application, they are clouds. It's like SaaS. So anything you want to do, you switch your computer. As far as you got a good network, you can do everything. You can go to where on passive, you can learn everything there. Well, everything is on passive here. So I think this cloud modern network today is eliminating the peer-to-peer network, because the cloud has make things moving forward, and then they are sitting in top of every technology right now. So it's also good because of its mobility. You could be anywhere in the world, and then you can learn. Or academy, you can learn. You can go to academy to learn. As far as that, you have a good network, you have a good computer, you sit in, you a good device, because it could be anywhere, iPad or anything, good device, and then also good internet connection, and then it's done. Academy, you can learn everywhere, anywhere in the world. Even if you travel, that you can have a network connection inside your flight, or even the train, bus, you can learn. So this is the cloud system now, so it give you flexibility and mobility.
Great, great, sir. So, sir, can you explain why Esther said O Tracker is more valuable than Google Analytics?
Yeah, it's true, because first of all, tracker is embedded artificial intelligence, like we said just now, and then tracker has so many tools. And then in terms of analytics, let's start from the analytics. tracker do better the job than Google Analytics. We are best than them, because we have the latest technology used to build the tracker. And then not only that, tracker, we can use it to track people, and we can use it to do so many things. So the IP system, we can use it now. If you like, you are working for a corporate, and then your boss say, okay, we want people to work only in Pakistan. We don't want you to go to India. If you use maybe your laptop, and then you travel overseas, your boss can use the tracker to see that, oh, Wasim has been outside the country, and then he can track you. Or maybe they can say, okay, don't work from morning, starting maybe from 8 to 9 to 5, and then you go midnight and working. You can use that product and see. And then also a lot of police or events, they can use also this application. So Otraka is one of the best analytic tools right now in the world. It does everything. You have all the analysis, all the data system. We have the latest data involved in it. All the data driven, everything we use it is the latest technology, and then is embedded with artificial. But the Google Analytics, they are using the old fashioned technologies which cannot stand with the old tracker. So this is the difference, because it's like we have two cars. We can be two BMW, but the two BMW of maybe 2000 and the BMW of 2024, it's not the same, because 2024 they have the latest technology, everything inside there. We have even Wi-Fi, everything. But maybe BMW of 2000, they don't have a Wi-Fi. They don't have a lot of technologies. It's maybe the old-fashioned technology. So this is how this thing works. So we have the latest one where they don't have it. So and then IT staff is based on the latest technologies. If you can use the latest technology, that's where you are the best, because more you will move on. You see, when a new system come up, the new system come always with a new security system. It will come with they will say, okay, now we have the best security in it, we have the best use, we have the best analytics, we are the latest technology, and then we are using again artificial intelligence embedded to all those systems. So we are the best. So they cannot compete with us because we are using the latest one. They are using the whole fashion system. So they can't be in the same route. So that's where I stand. So Mr. Ash is right to say that.
Wow, great, sir. Great, sir. Excellent, sir. Excellent. Sir, 100%, this is not only interview, a very informative session for people who don't know about the value of on passive products. So thank you very much for this session. Sir, my next question is, sorry for I'm asking too much questions, but I don't want to lose this day. So I don't want to miss this day. Sir, we have heard, as sir said, something about blockchain. How is it going to how is going to be beneficial for on passive? And and Jeffrey Moloch sir said blockchain as a SaaS products. So can you elaborate this?
Yeah, blockchain. I think blockchain is also one of the technology is coming, but I
Mm,
know we are not moving into it right now, but we like or not, it's something who's going to come, and then we'll have going to use. So it's something that we have to learn how to use it, because it will come to our doorstep. Because I know right now a lot of people, even including myself, when we talk about blockchain, I say, oh, I'm not interested. I don't want to hear this, or I don't want to go to it. But I like or not, it's something that we're going to use, and then it's going to come. So it's the same thing when the cloud come first in IT. We were working there. So it's not going to work. Oh, this is a lot of company will not go to it. So it's not good. But today everything is cloud. Everything in IT today is cloud. All our job is remote work. So I sit in here in my house and then do my job. So I go to the office maybe once a week, or go there and meeting and then come home. But the rest of my job, sitting at home and do my job. So it's the same thing. Blockchain, we like or not, it will come to our doorstep, and then we have to know. So what I will know, what I'm going to ask people to do, we have to start learning. Even myself, I have to learn the blockchain, because it will come to time that if you don't know it, that means you will be behind. So if you want to be up to date with this blockchain, it's not too late. If you don't know, don't panic. Everything will learn. You can even academy. Very soon we'll have academy. I know we have some academy. We have some courses there. You can go there and then learn from there. So it's not too late to learn, and then you can learn at any age. So it's a powerful technology, something very good. So it's good to know. So me, well, I'll ask people. Myself, I don't know, but I'll ask people to learn because we like or not, it will come to us. Yeah, it will come to us.
So thank you very much. Thank you very
Mm.
much, sir. Last question, sir. Many founders, Comfortments asked the question. Many founders have issues with alternate emails, as if they lose access to them, they lose access to on passive accounts. So how it is going to be solved for future customers, sir? What as sir said about this? Can you elaborate this about alternate
Yeah, like
emails?
I said, Mr. Asher, he built this company for humanitarian ground. So is he did it for us. So I know he will not let people. I know a lot of, even myself, someone came to me for about alternate email issues because some people, since they have the on passive account, they don't log in. Some people, they create that email to have an on passive account, and then since they have their on passive account, open that account, they never use it. So some of them, the account was blocked by the provider, Gmail or maybe Outlook. So they have issues today to log into it. So it's a very big problem for them. But as Mr. Ash said, he's a man of heart. So he's going to find a way and then a solution for those people. And then and then I know because he learned from experience, and for anything we have, any issue, difficult issue that on passive face, this man is very intelligent person. He will sit down and then elaborate it. I say, okay, I know a lot of on passive or maybe our future customers, this problem will come to them. They will have this issue, but right now he will give a solution to it, and then Mr. Ash will fix these issues. So I'm not worried. Myself, I'm not worried because I know the man. I know he's going to fix it. He's an IT man. He's also intelligent. So I know he's going to fix this issue, and then he will find a solution. So I know all these people who are worried. I'm telling you that you should not worry. Mr. Ash is a very intelligent person. He will sit down and then he will fix that issue for all of us, for all on Pacifian, even those who are not joined yet. You will think for the future. The way we make all the product like Oconet and everything, those products is not, they can last for maybe the next 5 years. Mr. Asha build it ahead. So a lot of people don't understand this. So the same way is going to look after us. It's not, for me, it's not a problem because I will sleep quietly. I know Mr. Ash will resolve this problem. It's not a problem because he has done even bigger issue more than that. So it's not a alternate email that he cannot resolve. So all this problem we are facing, we report to him, we report to the system. It's good that we have a problem because when we have a problem and then we report, we have an intelligence team there sitting there, and then they will work out and then they will find a solution. IT, this is IT. IT, when something go wrong, we sit down, we analyze the problem, and then we find a solution. So it's the same thing. So on passive is the IT company. So Mr. Ash will analyze the issue and then he will find a solution. So very soon we'll have a solution, permanent solution for all this issue. For me, it's not an issue at all. And then it's a job done.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Sir, and very difficult question. How do you see March month next for on passive?
This question, I think I'll leave to Mr. Ash to answer this question. But he said March will have a lot of activity in March, and then one of the activity has started today with the police. So this is tell us that there are so many good things to come this March. So we have to also finger cross. So good things are coming in this March. A lot of are coming. A lot of surprises are coming this March. So we should be focused and then keep praying for Mr. Ash so that on passive continue to deliver us big stuff.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your
Mm.
valuable time, and it was wonderful session. And Aisha, you missed this session.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Can you
Okay.
Yes,
hear me?
I did. I did. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Loud and clear.
Oh, sorry
You
to,
you are late.
I don't know what happened today. It's just my internet. It was very bad today.
Yes,
No
yes.
problem.
So,
No problem.
Yes.
so it was wonderful, informative sessions, and
Yeah,
you can
I
see
was
later.
all ears the whole session, and it was very informative. Yes, and sir, you did very well and answered all the. I think you did justice to all the questions. It was great.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm, great, thank you very much. And before we leave this session, I want to say thanks. The people who are in chat. Lean ma'am is here.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
asked me the
Matilin
Yes,
is
question
here.
ma'am
motive.
is here.
Lean, thank you very
Mayan
much, Lean
also
ma'am.
is here.
Hi,
And
and
Moen
yes,
Asako,
and
if I'm pronouncing correct, Mayon.
Moyen Asupo.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
okay. Maybe Vincent shall pronounce correctly, and
Mayan, yeah, Mayan.
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 Yes, yes, yes.
Asiko,
Good.
yeah, Mayan Asiko.
Oh,
Amal Fateh.
Then ma'am has pronounced it. Yeah,
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
saying it's Mayan. Yes. Thank
Uh,
Mayan,
you.
yeah, you pronounce correctly. Yeah.
yes, yes. So Amal Fatayar, Muhammad Farooq, and
Mm-hmm.
Saraswati De Barma, and Vijay Singh, and Satya Papu, and Buddha Deb, and everyone. Actually, two a very difficult name for me to pronounce.
Some difficult names. Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much to all of
Thank
you.
you too. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
all.
inviting me. Thank you all. Thank you, Aisha. Yeah.
Yes,
Sir,
everyone.
thanks for your precious time.
Thank you.
You got your spare time for us, and it was a very informative session. And we really like to have you some other day when my internet
No
is
problem.
working.
No problem.
Yes.
No problem. No problem. Get in touch. Yeah.
Yes.
No
So
problem.
we close this session, live session. So thank you very much. We are so in it to win it.
Thank
We
you.
are so into it.
We are
Thank
so
you.
in it to win it. Thank you.